So I am just catching up with my friends Mark and Alison from Watty's Vanlife, and I've got a little present for him and something we've been chasing for a while, and I managed to get a couple the other day, so just gonna catch up today and make them.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Good morning everyone, Colin from Baby Boomers. How are you? Thanks for watching. In this video we're going to be making a couple of fire pits with Mark from Watty's Vanlife. Something that we've been trying to do for quite a few weeks now, and we've managed to get the equipment to do it. If you love our content and you would like to see more, please subscribe. 70% of our viewers haven't subscribed, and so we'd love to see more subscribers. So please press that subscribe button, and don't forget to tick the notification bell to get notified of new videos. Here's the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Wakey, wakey. There you go, mate.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Oh, awesome. It's what I've always wanted. Oh, it's empty.
And there we have it. That's our job for today, is 2 fire pits out of 2 empty gas bowls.
You know you're cutting them, don't you?
With Watty.
We're going out for the day. You can cut them while we're gone.
You said you were a professional.
Yeah, I'm a professional at driving off.
Okay, so the plan is to make these they're 2 8 kilo, 9 kilo gas bottles into fire pits. They're empty, they're out of date. Now what we've done so far is we've just filled them with washing up liquid, and we're just going to flush them through with the hose and water just to make sure all the gas is out, and then the job of cutting them open. So both the gas bottles are filled with water, and we just flush them through now. Just drilled a hole in the top so they vent and the water will come out. My one's coming out a bit faster than Watty's. He's always a bit slower getting up in the morning.
Come on!
Not that it's a race.
Yeah, it is.
Because the water was taking ages to drain out of the bottles, we decided that we would cut the brass valves off the top of them, and Watty had this big ass saw thing that we used. We didn't actually have a clamp to clamp the bottles down, but just so happened there was a semi-trailer with a container on the top of it that we basically used to clamp the bottles. Ah, Windy Miller.
Yeah, that's it. There's it, eh?
And here is Windy of Camberwick Green. So what we did was we actually cut the valve off, drilled a bigger hole in it, we'll pour some washing up liquid in it, fill it with water, then re-drain it. Here's one I prepared earlier. Is it washing up?
So this is pre-explosion. Hopefully not. So filling up the gas bottles with water and soapy water just to make sure that they're clear of any gas before any cutting happens. So he's hoping.
Before Mark starts cutting.
Somebody's got to draw straws, I think. Keep the hose handy.
That's going to be a rough line, eh?
Yeah, well,
This is my line I follow to.
Just make sure that one's perfect though.
Cut. This is not mine. I'm going to do.
No.
Yeah. I'm still shaking at the minute, so I'm going to do this one first. So when I don't shake, I'll be doing mine. If I'm still here. Shouldn't say that really, eh?
Well, Alison's got her life insurance, so she's planning on a new van. It'd be the Winnebago.
I heard you were selling yours.
You were way too early this morning, you were.
Right, that's it. It's marked.
We then top the bottles back up with water and chop the tops off with an angle grinder. Didn't take long, maybe 10 minutes per top. And Watty did a sterling job.
Mine doesn't fit.
Oh! Different bottles.
There you go.
Stick? Where did it stick?
I've got my shoes full of iron filings
Yeah.
and all stuck in my socks. So
Oh, dear.
thread is like sharp pins. So I'm going to put my boots on.
What are you doing now then?
Just marking out for the slots like that.
Oh,
Only this
Just so.
This is going to be the better one of two, obviously. I practice on yours, then I do mine. You drill, I'll grind.
okay, because then what we're going to do is we're going to actually grind some slots, some air holes through there, through those two holes. Doing a sterling job.
Oh, it's just going to take some time, mate.
Through the air. Oh, I'll be there.
Tell us what you're doing, what?
Just going to put some grooves in the side. So I'm just drilling the holes, mark it out quite even.
What, for ventilation?
Yeah,
For ventilation.
holes for ventilation. So I'm still shaking.
So we get a good fire.
So I'm going to...
Mission accomplished.
And there we have it, 2 fire pits out of 2 8-kilo gas bottles. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please do take care with this. You do need to make sure that they're flushed out quite a few times and empty, but they are really good. So thanks for watching. Like I say, please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Hello world, wake me